What's good, YouTube? You got your standing. I'm back with another video. Hey, how y'all doing, mom? Mooka butts. Okay, y'all already know OOTD. Guys, it's sounding a little basic, but you already know the body don't make it basic. Okay, you already know the body be body. I can't talk. Okay, so y'all want to know how to make a man scream, shout, moan. Y'all want to know how to make a man lose his shit in the bedroom, just like we do. Oh, baby, I got you. I already told y'all, I've made men cry in bed, laugh, every emotion you can think of, scream to the top of their motherfucking lungs, everything you can think of, I've done it. I've done it, yes, absolutely. I am just so good at just taking these niggas' souls, you feel me? We're collecting it in a little soul cup. No, I'm just kidding. I'm fucking joking. I'm joking. All right, so how do I make men scream in bed? Okay, so the one that's honestly, I think the easiest to do, right, is so when you're giving a man top, right, you know, okay, so when you're giving a man top, right, and after he finishes, keep going. Keep sucking, keep going. Okay, do all of that and watch how he squirms, watch how he starts to scream, watch how he just has like an outer body experience. It's actually really fun to watch. I ain't even gonna lie, that shit funny to watch. But yeah, after he nuts, keep going, because it's just like that. It's really sensitive for them at that time. It's mad sensitive, so they be sitting there fighting for their lives, like, oh my god, all right, stop, see the fuck, okay. Yeah. See, that's why I got stalkers. I told y'all, this is why I got stalkers. The fuck? You think it's just because? No. I be giving it to these niggas. Okay, anyway, so that's like the number one thing. That's gonna work every time. Okay, now, another thing you could do is, so make your name his safe word, right? So like after he finishes and you keep, going, be like, I'm only gonna stop if you say my name. Watch how he struggles to say your fucking name. Watch. I swear to God, you've never heard a man whimper until your name is the safe word. Oh my God, who knew your name could sound so good, right? Exactly. Who knew your name? I knew my name could sound lovely. Oh my God, y'all be fucking these niggas. I be sweating them out. Oh, they just love me. They just fucking love me. Okay, so another thing you can stop. I'm sorry, my ego is from here to Mexico. And it's that big, not because of me. I didn't make my ego that big. All these niggas stalking me and not letting me go after years and years and years and years. That's what made it big. I was like, oh, damn, I knew I was getting bad, but I didn't know it was like that. Okay, but yeah, so keep sucking after he nuts. Make the safe word your name. He's going to whimper your name. He's going to either whimper your name, moan your name, or scream your name. Okay? All three of them are sexy. But now there are also some men that are warriors, right? They'll pass out before they tap out. Yo, I remember this guy fucking said that to me in my TikTok comments, bro. I swear that shit lives in my head for the rest of my motherfucking life. Tap on. Okay, so now another thing that makes men scream. Now listen, this is a little like, I already know, okay? I know it's a lot, and I know not everybody likes to do these things, so I understand. Okay, so edging a man, okay? So edging a man is basically like when you know his orgasm is about to come, so you like stop to kind of like make it go back down, and then you keep building it up, and then stop before he reaches that climax, and it builds up again, then you stop before he reaches that climax. Okay, so if you edge a man, by the time that he actually nuts, the nut is going to be so fucking intense. They let out the biggest scream, the biggest yell, the biggest everything. Why? I don't know. But yes, edging men is really, really fun. If he lets you tie him up, let him do that, because sensory deprivation. I'm gonna get into that. That's a whole nother fucking video. Sensory deprivation. And that's something that a lot of people don't fucking talk about. And I'm just like, yo, what the fuck is wrong with y'all? This is important. This leads up because sensory deprivation, like if you deprive other senses get heightened. Listen, y'all, I told y'all I have a list from here to fucking of shit to teach y'all, like that nobody has came on this bitch at any social media platform and has said. Okay, like I got y'all. I fucking got y'all. But yeah, so edge him. If he's comfortable enough to let you tie him up, do just that. Help me. Okay, sorry. I just be getting off these sliding things out. Oh my god. Okay, anyway. But yeah. So yeah, keep edging him. But so the hard part about that is that you kind of have to learn their body, right? Because it's just like, so if I'm sleeping with somebody, I make it a point to learn their body inside and out. Because the more you learn somebody's body, the easier it is to please them. You feel me? Sassy, why you running in here? You don't pay nothing. And you know what, baby? This is your home too. If you want to wild out, go ahead, baby. Just don't knock nothing over. Then we're gonna have to fight. All right, but anyway. So yeah, you have to learn their body because like the more you learn their body, one, you're gonna know what they like and what they don't like. And another thing is like, I'm sorry, I just got this thought. I remember I was fucking with this one guy and he was like, how the fuck do you know my body better than I do? Like, how did you know that I like that? But I didn't even know that I like that. And I'm just like, cause I'm Justina. I'm like that. Okay, sorry. Anyway, so yeah, the more that you know somebody's body, the more you can pay attention to their reactions. And so with edging, right? Like you're gonna be able to tell when he's on the verge of nutting. Okay, so then once you know that, then it's easier to know when to stop. I love me some me, boy. Oh my God. But yeah, so my bad. I call these fighting hoops because the amount of times I had to yank these motherfuckers out and just real quick, just pop, pop. All right, wig comes off too. Every time you about to fight somebody, take your wig off. My mom taught me that shit. Take your wig off first. Okay, that's okay, but anyway, so yeah, so the better you learn their body, you're gonna be able to tell when they're getting close. So then that way it's easier to know when to stop and it's easier to know when to keep going, right? So then if you keep edging him and edging him and edging him and edging him, eventually like he's going to start losing his shit. He's gonna start losing control because he wants to finish so bad, right? And when you're doing this, you have to talk him through it, right? God, I love me some me. Sorry. You got to talk him through it, right? Like questions. I'll ask questions. I'm like, what's wrong, baby? You want a nut? What's wrong? You want a nut? Too bad. Like that. I'm like, I know you want a nut so bad, baby. I know. It's okay. You'll nut eventually. But when I fucking say so, this is my nut. This is my nut. I know it's coming out of your body, but it's mine. Like, give me. Okay, but yeah. So those are just a few things that I have done that made men scream, that made men run from me, literally run from me in the fucking bedroom. You know how many times I was doing something nasty with a man and like he was running from me, like pushing me off, pushing my head off because he could not take it anymore because he was getting too overstimulated because it felt so good and so intense? A lot. That's happened a lot. That's happened to me a lot in my lifetime. Yo, you know a song stuck in my head? In the Rain by Addison Rae. That's my shit. So I cry only in the rain. Okay. I'm about to go. I gotta get my nails done. Maybe my eyebrows. I don't know if I want to get my eyebrows done because every time I tell her it's not thin enough, she's like, no, it look good. I'm like, bitch, no, it don't. I'm sick of that. If I'm paying you, you supposed to do what I want. I'm the customer. Oh, and another thing that you can do, sorry, that makes them like scream a lot. Okay, so remember that hand thing that I taught you guys to do at the tip? Like, you know, like where the head part sticks out, like that thing. Remember how I told you about that? Okay, so if you do that really, really fast and kind of like hold him down, that's another thing. They start shaking. They start speaking in tongues. I'm like, oh, I know you knew a different language. What is that? What is that? Nuttanese. It's nuttanese. It's nuttanese. That's what it is. Okay, sorry. But yeah, I love y'all so much. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you in my next video. Oh, this is really lovely. Go use this. Bye.